Mini DisplayPort, Mini DP or MDP, to DVI cable, male to male. Mini DP to DVI can be used to transmit video from computer or tablet to monitor display, with video resolution up to 1920 by 1080p, Full HD. Mini DP1. 1 input to DVI output. Connect to high-definition DVI monitor, projector, LCD etc. which uses a DVI connector. Mini DisplayPort is compatible with Thunderbolt port and can be used on Apple MacBook, after 2010 version with audio, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Mini, Mac Pro. Cable length, 6 feet. Cable gauge, 32 Aruban florins. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality. The quality of my work monitors improved significantly by using this cable over the VGA cable they came with. This cable is a must-have if using old monitors that don't support DP.